Welcome to the ultimate sci-fi showdown. Tonight, we pit two iconic killers against each other, the relentless Terminator and the Raged Hulk. Who will win in this epic battle? Let's dive in. The camera pans slowly over a shattered cityscape at midnight, September 26, 2025. Lightning cracks violently across a turbulent, ink-black sky, casting jagged shadows over crumbled skyscrapers and flooded streets. Rain pours down in relentless sheets, drumming against the ground, steam rising in ghostly tendrils from ruptured pipes and smoldering wreckage. The air grows thick with tension, broken only by a low, mechanical whir that cuts through the storm, footsteps, deliberate and heavy, each one a thud against the wet concrete, accompanied by the sharp hiss of a hydraulic-leg servomotor. From the shadows of a collapsed office building, the T-800 Terminator emerges, its red eyes glowing like embers through the downpour. Its hyperalloy frame glistens with rain, the plasma rifle clutched in its hands gleaming with a cold, metallic sheen. Water drips from its joints, pooling around its feet as it scans the horizon with unfeeling precision. Suddenly, the ground trembles beneath the weight of something massive. The mechanical footsteps transform into thunderous booms that shake the ruins, and a green silhouette bursts through the mist, Hulk, his eyes blazing with an untamed rage, muscles rippling and bulging under tattered purple shorts. His breath comes in heavy, visible puffs, and a mysterious blue glow flickers from his gamma-charged form, casting an eerie, pulsating light across the shattered landscape. The two titans lock eyes, the storm raging around them, setting the stage for an unstoppable clash. The T-800's targeting system emits a series of cold, electronic beeps as it locks onto Hulk. With a mechanical grunt, it raises its plasma rifle and fires a searing blue bolt. The energy blast strikes Hulk's chest with a sizzling crack, burning a black scorch mark into his skin. Hulk barely flinches, his lips curling into a snarl as he roars, a sound that reverberates through the ruins like rolling thunder. He charges forward, his massive frame closing the distance in a single, earth-shaking leap. His fist slams into the T-800's torso with a deafening clang, the impact sending the machine skidding backward through the mud, sparks flying as its metal frame scrapes against the rough ground. The Terminator rights itself with a hydraulic hiss, its red eyes steady and unblinking, showing no sign of pain or hesitation. It retaliates with a rapid-fire plasma barrage, each shot streaking through the rain and burning into Hulk's shoulder with a hiss of molten flesh dripping to the ground. The Gamma monster staggers slightly but presses on, undeterred, grabbing a massive concrete slab from the debris and smashing it into the T-800's head with a crunch that echoes for miles. The impact leaves a deep dent in the machine's skull, but its red eyes flicker back to life, the damage merely a glitch in its relentless programming. Hulk